Are we ready, John? John, I feel good. Just like old times.
Hello, come on, this is Arnie. You may remember me from Commando. Well, fuck you. You know why? My main man, Nick is playing. Capelle is playing. Get off your ass and take it down to the Brixton. Not to Mars, don't get it to Mars. Show some fucking support. So get your ass down to the fridge. The fridge, no, not the fridge in your house. The fridge in Brixton. I love it when your peasant soldiers ducked off. I eat green berets for breakfast. 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 Come on, do it now! Get off your ass.